Assalamualaikum and greetings human beings. In this video I shall talk a little bit more about the TF-1 gas mask and its derivatives, which is a continuation of this playlist. So if you haven't watched the videos, I'd suggest you watch them first. Let's start with this tragedy of a mouse. The previous owner's brother essentially left this TF-1 under the scorching heat of the tropical climate of Malaysia for around 12 hours, and here's the result. The metal crimps oxidized. The external valve melted inwards, and you can see what's left of it. Unfortunately, the previous owner threw the melted valve away. The discoloration of the mask extends onto the inside due to the intensity and time of exposure to the sun. Here's a comparison to a TF-1 shielded from the sun. Of course, this is an extreme example of why TF-1 masks are susceptible to UV damage. But fret not, this is just an isolated case, which I thought would be interesting to talk about. Of course, the plastic valve assembly still works, so here's me inserting an external SL valve replacement which I bought from Taobao, listed for Type 64A spare parts. The rotor safety MF1, aka PQ0503, is made under Rongzhou Shandong Safety Technology Company Limited. The mask is pretty much the same as most of the TF-1 MF1 masks, but it differs when it comes to the full set of it. There's a hood that encapsulates the mask for more protection, while the bag is worn on the waist area. The plastic packaging also differs a bit from the usual design. The rest is pretty much the same. The bag design is different from the design of most TF-1 gas mask bags, as they're worn on the side with a string that you could use to tie the bag to your body, something that I missed in the earlier video. Tangshan masks are made by Tangshan Chemical Factory Company Limited, not related to Tangshan Puda Protective Products Factory. I'm not sure about older masks, but the newer ones seems to lack an inhale valve by design. This one here is a Tangshan MF1. Here's a comparison between my Tangshan Puda MF1B and Tangshan MF1B. There's not much difference between them other than the lack of inhale valve on the Tangshan MF1B. That's all from me. Thanks for watching.